Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making a reliable armature because motion depends on strong internal bones. First, cut steel wire to rough lengths for spine, limbs, and neck. Bend primary joints with pliers and create loops where ball joints or screws will sit. Once done, solder or epoxy any joined wires and secure the armature to a mounting foot on a base plate so it holds poses. Make sure the center of gravity is explicit. This prevents floppy limbs and reduces later rework. Once the armature is rigid, add volume. Crumple foil for core mass, then sculpt with foam or foam clay to match your silhouette. While shaping, install joint reinforcements, washers, short screws, or printed housings, so repeated poses won't loosen connections. Make sure soft skins meet hard anchors with a flexible transition. Use silicone or fabric sleeves over elbows and knees to maintain motion without ripping. As you refine forms, test key poses frequently so proportion. You finish by sealing foam surfaces, painting base tones, and adding facial detail so the puppet reads on camera. Once dressed and coiffed, rebalance the puppet because clothes shift weight. Remount to the base plate and run test moves of 10 to 20 frames to evaluate hold and drift. If things go wrong, isolate the issue. Loose joints get tightened or given friction pads. Wobble from the mount often needs a stronger foot or additional counterweight. Retest until motion is stable and predictable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.